Hello, my name is Mike. I'm with BestRugPrices.com. What brand of vinyl plank flooring is the best? That's the topic of today's video. I'm very happy to continue on with our Ask the Flooring Pro video series. I believe this is episode number 12. If you haven't watched any of our videos, what we're doing is we're making short videos related to floor covering questions that we get asked every single day. It could be product questions, it could be cleaning and maintenance tips, it could be budgeting questions. You name it, we get asked a question. So what we're doing is we're taking these questions one by one and we're making short videos about each question, and we're hosting the videos on our website at bestrugprices.com. And our ultimate goal would be that if you have a floor covering question or a project coming up and you're struggling with trying to find an answer to your question, you can go to our website and look under the tab Ask the Flooring Pro, and you'll see a whole list of videos, and hopefully we have an answer to your question. It's completely free to use. We'd love for you to come check us out. If you have a floor covering question, then we'd love for you to submit it on our website and we can make a video about it and get you your answer. Okay, so the question of the day is, what brand of vinyl plank flooring is the best? So before I get into that real quickly, vinyl plank flooring and tile has really taken over the marketplace in the floor covering world. And the way you can determine that is, if I don't care where you're at in the country, if you go to inside any of your local floor covering stores, I can guarantee you that a good 30, 40, 50% of that store's retail space is going to have vinyl plank and tile samples covering that space. And the reason they do that is because that retail space to that store is very, very important to them. That's their lifeblood. I mean, so they're going to put samples in that showroom of products that are hot, that are popular, and that sell. And vinyl plank flooring has really taken off in the marketplace, and it's selling not only residentially but also commercially. And people are putting vinyl plank flooring in all different types of homes. They're putting them in starter homes up to multi-million-dollar homes. Vinyl plank flooring is going in apartments. It's going in commercial settings. And I even had a rep come into the store the other day and showing us a brochure of their new vinyl plank product is going to go in showers. So it's just an incredible product, extremely, extremely popular. So now, getting back to the question at hand of which brand is the best vinyl plank flooring, you should know that every store aligns themselves strategically with different distributors that cover different states and different manufacturers. For example, if you have two stores that are, a couple miles apart in a town, and one store is really big and the other store is really small, odds are that small store is going to want to carry different products than that big store, because the big store is probably selling more and they're going to get price advantages. And so it's going to be harder for that small store to compete. So what they do is they try to put products in their store that the big store doesn't have. So having said that, just because a certain store has a particular brand of vinyl plank flooring doesn't mean it's the best. It just means that's the business relationship that store has decided to enter into with those vinyl plank companies. Now, vinyl plank, because it is so popular, the competition from manufacturers is really high. I mean, it's just incredible the amount of competition that's out there, and the number of companies that are making vinyl plank. And it's much the product is much different than, say, the old laminate product. If for those of you that have been around as long as I have and remember, the cash and carry laminate products that it was in every store 10 to 15 years ago, 99 cents cash and carry. That product was just junk. And people had all kind of problems with it. There was multiple claims. And so manufacturers have gotten away from that. And now with vinyl plank and laminate, but in this video, we're talking about vinyl plank, they're going the other way. They're making it very, very high end so that the claims are few and far between. And not only are they making it as a very sturdy product, but the technology to make the products and the pictures they are able to take of the styles and the patterns and the sizes are just incredible. So there's some beautiful floors out there from just about every manufacturer. Every manufacturer has a good, better, best product line, and 99.9% of them are very well made. So what I tell people all the time when they come in and say, gosh, you have 6 different vinyl plank displays in your showroom, which one is the best? What I always tell people is the best one is the one that's based on your budget, and the one that's based on which style you like the best. So because there is no right answer, there is no manufacturer, in my opinion, that is better than the other guy. What you need to look at when you're doing a floor covering project is figuring out what your budget is, how much money you can spend, and then finding a product that you really, really like. And if you do that, then you're going to be happy with the outcome. So, you can't really go into a store and say, I'm going to go look at display A over here in the corner because that's the best. Doesn't work that way. What you want to do, all these products are made well, and for a home, all these vinyl plank products are going to last for a very long time. So what you want to do is you want to find a style and color that you really like that fits your budget, and that's how you go about trying to get the right product for your home. So anyway, I don't know if that answers your question in full, but that's my opinion of what a vinyl plank or brand of vinyl plank flooring is the best. Again, we're at bestrugprices.com. Thank you for listening. If you have a floor covering question, please go to our site and submit your questions. I'm going to tell it like I see it. And, you may not like the answer, but I'm going to be as truthful as I can be. And hopefully that'll help you out. Thank you very much.